नाशिक मुंबई येथे लग्नासाठी जाण्याची गरज नाही. येवल्यातच घेऊन आले आहे वर्मा लॉन्स, तुमच्या सर्व समारंभासाठी एकमेव भव्य ठिकाण. तुमच्या जीवनातील खास क्षणांना सुंदर आणि अविस्मरणीय बनविण्यासाठी योग्य ठिकाणाची निवड महत्त्वाची असते. त्या प्रत्येक स्वप्नपूर्ती क्षणांसाठी वर्मा लॉन्स आहे. विस्तीर्ण व हिरवळयुक्त प्रशस्त लॉन, प्रशस्त पार्किंगसह अनेक सुविधा, सर्व काही एकाच ठिकाणी. प्रशस्त पार्किंगसह अनेक सुविधा. वर्मा लॉन्स, ठिकाण येवला नाशिक रोड, एरंडगाव. एक वेळ अवश्य भेट द्या.
What I have faced in 15 years, I will narrate within 30 seconds. 3 complications in a very early stage. What I have faced. Third day of seeing a TLH, I did a TLH on third day, and first got a ureteric injury to be noted and corrected by a urologist. Second complication I had with harmonic. Plastered abdomen, trying to separate the bowel with the help of harmonic, and got a thermal injury leading to fecal peritonitis, but the patient was safe. These 2 complications I do remember over a period of 15 years. I think that's only touch wood, I had only these 2 complications over a period of 15 years.
So we should be careful about how to insert the trocar cannula. Of course, there are always difference of opinions between whether to put CO2 pneumoperitoneum first, followed by trocar cannula, or whether directly to go for trocar cannula. So many surgeons, general surgeons, directly use the direct technique of Hansen. And of course, bowel adhesions. If there are a lot of bowel adhesions due to, let's say, previous LSCS, previous appendicectomy, scar on the abdomen.
Intrauterine adhesions or bowel adhesions operatively. Then there are safe method of entry, like you can use a needle trocar or a optical trocar, which is also option there, where you can do a safe entry, or open method or Sun's technique. But they have done studies regarding the injury during the entry. Chances of entry with a Curies needle and chances of entry with a direct trocar. They have found that the Curies injuries are more than the direct trocar injuries. There are papers on that. The safest method of entry is the open technique, where you usually open with the Hassan's technique and put a trocar, and the chances of injury are less. Intraoperatively, if you diagnose, then it's very nice. You have to immediately put that injury can be done. And then, if in a post-operatively, if there is any sign,
they present typically between 3 and 5 days, but 4th or 5th day is the more common, because tissues take time to undergo necrosis and thermal injuries will present.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Now we'll go with the case. We are successfully starting our operation theatre.
So the previous 2 LACS, AUV with fibroid uterus with severe obesity, BMI 44, you can see here in the picture, and known case of hypertension, diabetes, hypothyroidism, and for the black myopathy. So what are the pre-anesthetic requisites, challenges for anesthesia? Actually, Kiran sir is not here. So, and my question is for the freelancers. Such cases, should we operate in freelancing setup? And if you go to the...
You will see the CO2 in the urine bag. This CO2 which is there, which go through and go through the urine bag.
That sense has to be there. Eyes, ears, smell, everything should be under all senses.
And you can switch it on your own with statistics to 0.
Have a look at the bladder. When you are near the bladder, have a look at the urine bag.
No sir, you can see it. You can see it. I have made a habit that somebody is there on that end to see it.
Great. It's a teamwork, so it means it's a teamwork.
Yeah, it's a very good point, but for that you should make a habit that you should always close the outlet of the urine bag, so that CO2 will collect here. Many times you forget that when your urine bag outlet is open,
Also, in difficult cases, doing methylene blue dye and just to check
Okay.
all difficult cases, even if you don't suspect injury.
Pre-operative.
Post-operatively, like you are completed, you are seeing the ball, but you know that.
Pre-operatively, post-operatively,
One,
pre-operative.
one thing you have to be mentioned here is not only on the size of the rent in the bladder, but where the rent is. If it is on the dome of the bladder, then you can leave it alone. Like in suprapubic cystostomy, it heals by itself. Nobody switches it. But if it's in the trigone area, very close.
The
to
next question is the same, sir.
Where the ureter is, where the urine is always there, accumulated over there, that has to be.
How to manage this at the time?
Yes. The ureteric injury occurs very near the ureteric orifice, then it will be difficult to anastomose. The option remains is the ureteric implantation. So where to do the ureteric implantation?
Nature of ureteric injury is very important. Usually they are late presented. So only you
Bladder. Now we are on the bladder only.
in here
Here the
you
ureteric
do
orifice.
cystoscopy, put a stent and you put a stitch. That is very simple. Bladder is very eco-friendly organ to the gynecologist. You can do anything, any trial on that.
Gynecology.
It will automatically. Keep the catheter for 14 days, 15 days, 21 days, whatever you want. Make that sure that the catheter should be not bent. Make dynaplast, put the dynaplast on the thigh. And send patient immediately day 3 days for home. So patient does not panic, or we does not panic.
So as an obstetrician, we have been taught that afraid of bladder when we are doing obstetrics. And then I realized when I started laparoscopy, really dangerous. When you cause a bladder injury, you need a neurologist. Better to have a neurologist.
If
It's very easy, you can switch it.
If you suspected near to the ureteric orifice, you put the digestate, and if you not taken suture, no problem. You keep the catheter, that will be automatically. Bladder is very friendly organ.
But do we need more questions or shall we wind it up? Audience? Yes. Okay, we'll wind it up now. Thank you, experts.
Thank you very much.
Panelists, you have given a lot of